This is definitely the most desperate moment in the life of a kitten. The newborn kitten, surrounded by flies, its umbilical cord still intact. The man is surprised, as mother cats usually find secluded spots to give birth, and stray cats might have dropped their kittens while running. As the helpless kitten teetered between life and death, a man passed by, witnessing the scene. Despite the stench and dirt, his kindness and responsibility drove him to act. He decided to give this small life a chance, carefully using his finger to peel the stuck amniotic sac away. Each touch brought a rush of sadness, as the kitten hadn't even opened its eyes to see the world. The suffering had already overwhelmed the little one, and the man wondered if the kitten would survive. Knowing that time was crucial, he quickly moved the kitten to a cleaner and safer spot. He gently wiped away the dirt with a soft tissue, his every motion tender and meticulous. It seemed he feared causing further harm to the fragile kitten, ensuring it had enough strength to await its mother's return. He decided to give the kitten some nutritional supplements first, as it might be starving. The kitten immediately started drinking a lot of the formula the man had brought along. But what he didn't expect was that, while feeding the kitten, a group of children gave him a key clue, and he successfully tracked down the mother cat. However, the reunion wasn't as warm as expected. Upon seeing the stranger, the mother cat became immediately cautious. The mother cat was hard to approach, growling as if to protect her territory and kittens, likely the rescued kitten's siblings. Her solitary and protective demeanor touched the man, leaving him feeling both moved and helpless. The younger brother surprisingly discovered another helpless kitten hidden in the grass, also in need of rescue. To win the mother cat's trust, the young man decided to use food as an offering. He hoped the kittens would grow up safely with their mother, but she remained extremely wary and refused to let him get close. Seizing a moment of distraction, the mother cat bit him, her instincts fully on guard. His understanding of the situation didn't discourage him. Knowing it was the mother's instinct, particularly in the sensitive postpartum period, he stayed patient and, after a while, managed to coax her into relaxing using food. Taking the opportunity, he placed all the kittens in a rescue box for a better living environment. He took them home, but the unfamiliar setting made the mother cat anxious. She began to look around for her children. Her worrying and unease made everyone feel sympathy. But little did she know, at that moment, her kittens were going through the test of life. Due to long-term malnutrition, they were very weak. Homeless mother cats often don't have enough food for themselves, let alone to provide full nutrition for their kittens. Day by day, the mother cat kept searching every corner of the room for traces of her children. Fortunately, the kittens were cared for by doctors and overcame the danger. When reunited with their mother, her eyes showed relief and vigilance, constantly scanning as if suspicious of the world. We protect this hard-won happiness. In this life-saving rescue, we witness the most glorious side of human nature and the power of motherhood which overcomes all obstacles, whether human or animal, offering warmth that shields life. It ignites hope in despair. Let's praise the kind-hearted people and wish the cat family a happy, healthy life. I'm Kitty Caperz. Thanks for stopping by.